Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. I am from Hyderabad. I have done my masters in CSSR College, which is affiliated with Yoga University, where I have secured 78%. Prior to that, I have done my BSc in Pratibha Degree College, which is affiliated with Usmania University, where I have secured 94%. This is my education. Coming to the Jspiders, I have joined Jspiders in 2024. That was in Super 100. It was Java full stack, and my Java trainer was Pawan sir, Shivakumar sir and Shiva Prasad sir, where they helped me to crack this interview, and they gave me all the guidance which I have required regarding to the programming and core Java skills, and even they helped me in guiding all the problems which I have faced during problem solving, like all the coding which I have to do. And coming to the web technology, Nandita ma'am, she helped me in guiding all the web technology skills like HTML, CSS and JavaScript and even React also. She gave me complete guidance and how I have to follow each and everything. She helped me. So I completely thank all the trainers in the Jspiders who helped me to crack this interview. And coming to my I got placed in a company where it was completely about a Java trainee role. So this was a 5 years of work. The first year, this is what I this is the company where I placed. So this was completely I could crack it because of the trainers of the Jspiders, where they gave me complete detail oriented Java, where I have gained complete knowledge. Even I have enhanced my coding skills also. And I thank all the Jspider trainers who helped me to crack this interview. And thank you.